go down to the basement. There's got to be something in the basement. That's where we crawled up from earlier.
That leads to the basement, that door right there.
Okay, we don't want to go down there. Keep that just in case. Oh, there's one.
You may just have to interact with them all. There's light switch to the left too. Yep.
Maybe that was all of them. We go back to the mirror room now.
You didn't check the whole basement. You still have like the area with the fuse box and shit. Oh, that one's getting bigger.
Yeah, so I guess every time we interact with one, that one's gonna grow.
Okay, so
we did this one.
Go back to the basement. There's still like the other half that you haven't explored. Yeah, you can take that. There might be one in here too.
It didn't look like it needed to be much bigger.
Yeah, there's probably just one more hidden around down here. You can go ahead and grab the other VHS tape while you're in here. Should be on the other side. Yep.
Okay.
Oh, there it is.
There it is. Is that the last one, you think? We'll check back here since we're already here. We're good.
Oh, you turned off all the lights in the house, you goober. I mean, you could check in that closet. Your storage room. Because that's a pretty big room in there, if I remember.
Yeah, there's really not much exposed.
Door's closed.
Okay, let's just go back up. The stool is now stored in the storage room. What does that mean?
I don't know. It said that multiple times. You didn't check the little girl's room either.
Upstairs?
Yeah, I think that was the last. That's like the last place, really.
This room?
Yep. You didn't check the office either, did you?
Yeah. I checked in here too, I think.
Did you check the closets? They're pretty big.
Okay, well, that won't let me open that.
Okay.
Nothing. Nothing. I'll check in here.
Oh, the attic.
You think it would make us go in the attic?
It's managed to go in every part of the house so far.
Yeah, but this is like an interactable.
Something happened. Oh, it's done. Take your crazy pills. Okay. Oh yeah, there's probably one up here somewhere.
Can I have my lighter back, please?
Surely there'd be one. I guess take the drop back down. The drop down back.
It's a weird picture frame. Does that always stay open?
You can close it.
So I guess the basement is the only spot we haven't really. Right? Is there still somewhere in the basement to explore?
I mean, maybe on the roof somewhere.
Did we go all the way down this way?
I think so. I think that was the one that we found right there.
That one.
They look in this area. These seem like flat walls that would have it. Oh, that light's off. Turn back on. Huh. Oh, maybe the bathroom. It's gotta be down here somewhere. Maybe this middle connecting room, maybe.
Let me look in here. I just need a lighter, and this seems to be a spot where lighters spawn.
Maybe if you didn't just hold them out and waste them.
There's one.
I mean, yeah, and that. Bag Sam. Me and Nerdman talked about it, but we got a pretty solid plan. Hold on a second there, Padre. What'd you do? Fucker, quit!
Okay.
Was that all of them that you had?
That's all the ones I had, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Oh yeah, we're in now.
That's the fastest I've seen this motherfucking move the whole game.
I know. Was there a floating crowbar?
It's been in development for 17 years now, okay? You gotta give the developers some slack here. Well, at least the crowbar got some love finally. Oh.
Okay.
We don't like these. Of course you can't use that here. Why would you? Oh. I thought it was a lighter for a second. I was about to be pissed. You're losing sanity, so do hurry.
Oh, here's the vault.
The old bunker. The old spunk bunk. What the fuck?
What is this?
Press the red button.
I did.
First red button you see, you walk right to it.